Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is not showing up in Windows 11 and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is, as you can see, if you don't find it, this is what we have to do. The first one, just go over here, search here for settings. Then what you need to do is click on the settings. Now from here, we have to navigate to the network and internet. From here, we need to go to the first one. We need to go to advanced network settings. Now from here, you have to click on this one. And over here, you have to check for they are able to check it, or you can just go back. And also over here, you have to check for this. Stay if it's not working, just go back over here. And right now, navigate to the network and internet. And the first and foremost step is all about, if you're having any kind of an option here to turn on the flight mode, you have to turn on the flight mode. Or if that is not the case, you can just go over here, click on advanced network settings here. And right now over here, you have to do the first one. If that is not working, just go over here, click on the network reset and go for reset now. So what happens is, go for yes. So what happens is, you will be losing all the password that you save it. You have to try from the beginning and you have to do a restart on your system as well. After trying with this, you have to check with it, and still if it's not working, you can just go back. And right now over here, you have to click on advanced sharing settings here. And right now over here, what you need to do is, if you turn off network discovery, you have to turn it on. And also for file and printing and sharing over here, you have to turn it on. For some users, this might be turn it off by default. So what you need to do is, you have to turn on both these two things, right? And after you're done with this one, you have to check with it. Then you have to restart a computer and you have to check, and most probably that's going to help. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye.